Hello and welcome. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through the headline widget, which is the first thing you can see on any website page. Okay, so after dragging this element in your page, we can see the various options that appear right here. In the content section, there will be the headline text, HTML tag your own link to insert instead of our default option linking. We'll begin with headline text. So this is where you can customize your text. Here I will choose a random sentence like "Welcome to our new world." And you can see it appears immediately on this page. So you can change the text style very easily. For example, choose italic or underline it. Change the color, so the background color too. And now we move to insert a link. When customer click on the headline text, it will navigate to the link you have set. Here I'll choose collection, homepage. If you want this link open in a new window, click here. In case you don't want your title leading to our default option, you can insert your own link right here, and setting stays the same. Let's move to design section. Here we'll have some customized options like alignment and typography. Some options to choose, like select the font. You can choose either your own font or using Google Fonts. Try each of them to see which is suitable for your page. Decoration. Try each of them. Line height and line spacing. So the next element will be the text shadow. We'll create a blur effect. Horizontal and vertical will duplicate your text and make position change. And final, the advanced section includes spacing, change text position into different places. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notification so that you won't miss out any interesting introduction or tutorial videos from Beae.